My name is Palak and we will be creating today this. I'm artist by profession and we will be creating this fish noodle today. Is it easy?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, what we will do is, first we will create various patterns.
I don't know.
Then this is our basic drawing. This is our basic drawing, and using patterns and the basic drawing, we will fill our patterns in the basic drawing like this. You need a sketch pen or a black pen, your choice. Now we'll start with the patterns. First, our pattern is this: make a straight line, and then we'll make shape like this, and we'll put dot in between. And then again, we'll make this shape, inverted shape, and again the dots and the outline. This is our first pattern. Okay. Okay. The next pattern, we'll make the horizontal line like this. This is our second pattern. Okay, let's number it first. We are making this. First, we'll make a circle. Then we'll make it double, and then we will color it inside. This is the eye of the fish. We will draw inside. Okay. Okay, and then we'll make a small circle inside and make any pattern inside of your choice. Okay, the fourth pattern is very easy. This is the fourth pattern, this is the fifth pattern, and this is the sixth pattern. Okay, I'll make it. Okay, make two lines like this. Okay, and like this, just as the same one here, but just smaller size. Now we'll make the fifth pattern. Fifth pattern is this one. This pattern is the fifth one. This is also very easy. Just we have to make the lines shape like this, and easy. Together I'll show you. 4, 5, 6 is the same thing. Together I'll show you. Just make different patterns and I'll show you the collective 4, 5, 6 when we'll connect them. Fifth one, sixth one is simple. You have to just make a petal, like you make a flower petal, and you have to make a dot inside. The bold one. Easy?
Yes.
Okay. When we will connect 4, 5, 6 here, right? It is very easy. Shape like this. First we'll make like this. Okay, this is 6. Now you can fill inside. Now we'll go with the seventh pattern. Seventh pattern is this. Okay, it's very easy. Like in the fourth pattern, this is in downward direction like this. Here will be in the upward direction. This is just the difference. Okay. Now the eighth pattern. Okay. This is the eighth pattern, right? These are vertical lines, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now first we made the horizontal lines. Now we will make the vertical lines. Easy? Okay.
Yes.
The ninth pattern we make here. We will make crisscross, nothing else. Look. Make lines in one direction. Similarly, make lines in other direction. This is crisscross. Can you see? Okay, the 10th pattern is like this. Show me a pattern. The 11th pattern is very simple. You have to just make the lines and then in different direction. This was like crisscross, and we have to make this first, make the horizontal lines, then make the vertical line together. Okay, easy? Like this. Like this. If our area is small, we will go a little small. If our area is big, we will go big. Okay? Okay, easy. And then we'll make a leaf-like structure here. It's easy.
Yes.
Okay. And we'll do it afterwards here. Now, the 13th pattern is very easy. Okay, the 13th pattern is here. We have to just make the vertical lines. Easy? Okay. Now we'll do the basic drawing, okay? This is our basic drawing of the fish. Easy, right? So we'll start with, we have 3 parts in this.
How to draw this?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First we'll draw 1, then we'll draw 2, then we'll draw 3, 4, and 5 respectively. Okay? Now it is dark. Okay? The first thing. Now look at it. We have divided it into 4 equal parts, and the second line we have to make the full eye. Okay? See, now I will be dividing it into 4 parts. 1, 2, and after the second one, I will make a eye like this, which is our third pattern, right? What we will do first, we will make like this, leaving a space a little bit, and then we will go in. Look,
Ma'am, can you show once?
look, like this. We will draw it like this, and then we will close it in the same way. Easy? Okay, I'll show you. See, what we'll do, we will draw like this. This is the end of the first part. The second part, we'll leave some space and we will draw like this. We will take it in a downward direction. Similarly here, this is small line, this is big line, and we will close it like this. Easy? Show me your sheets. Lavisha and Anisha, you're making it too light, but I can see it, it's fine. So now we will make this pattern, the pattern like this. See, it's very easy. Make it in any way. This is the third part, the tail of the fish. See, what you have to do is make line like this. See, I'll draw it along with you. Now you have to divide this into 3 equal parts. Draw your 3 lines anywhere like this. We will fill the lines with the sketch pen like this. Easy?
Okay.
Okay. Show me the final one. We'll make a line like this in this direction, and then we'll make a cloud. Look, easy? Look, make the fourth and the fifth part. It's very easy. First make the line in this direction and then make clouds like structure and then close it like this. Similarly in this direction. Easy? Part is very easy. You have to make it in this direction. You have to make it in this direction. You have to make clouds like structure.
I want to see and click on.
Can you outline just like this? Easy? Okay. Look, I have outlined the show, my fish. Show me yours, and then after this, you will outline this also. Leave the eye. The first part we have divided into 4 parts. Similarly, you have to outline and fill it inside with the sketch pen. The first pattern was like this. Now we will fill our first pattern here, here, and here. It's easy. Look. Show me the first pattern, everyone.
Ma'am, can you make?
Horizontal lines like this here. It's very easy. You have to just make the line. And the second part is done. Easy? Okay. The third part, draw the eye. I have already showed you the pattern. The pattern itself is the eye. Now draw the eye. See what I will do. I have already done the outline, right? I will make the inner circle. Any pattern you can make inside the circle, and then you make the lines here. It's easy. And make dot inside. It's easy. Look, the first part, the fourth is here. The fifth is here. Just make shapes like this. It's very easy. Okay. And fill it inside. If you don't want to fill it, see, now we have 4th, 5th, and 6th pattern. This all will go in one thing. Okay, we create it like this. Look, this is the 4th part. This is the 5th part. This is the 6th part. The 4th part is simple. We have to go like this. Easy?
Yes.
And the 5th part, you have to just make the lines in any direction you want. Great. Okay. And then the 6th part is you have to make a petal and then place a dot inside. Easy?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now fill inside. Now fill it here like this. Look, fill the second part with the 4, 5, 6 pattern. like this. I'll show you. I'll make one and I'll show it to you. Look. Here, the fifth part is the lines and the sixth part is the petals, right?
Yes.
Look. Easy?
Yes.
Now fill all the above with the fourth, fifth, sixth pattern. I will also draw, you also draw. Okay, and then show it to me. First, divide your segment into two parts. First, make the fourth part, then make the fifth part, right? Then afterwards, make the fourth part key details. Fourth pattern, fifth pattern, and the sixth pattern. This is the petals, this is just the lines, and this is just the circles, small circles. Look. And then this is the line, this is the petal. What was our seventh pattern? We will go it in downward direction, the same thing. Look. This thing, we will go in the downward direction, right? Like this. Look. Easy? Easy? Look like this. In the downward direction. Just make a circle and then put a dot inside, okay? In this, what we will draw? We will draw vertical lines like this. Easy? It's easy? Okay. Now here, we will do, we'll make crisscross, right? Look, we will make crisscross here. Easy? Easy, right? Which direction? Upward direction, like this. This was in downward direction. This is the upward direction, right? Sorry, I'm not able to pronounce your name right now. Now the fourth part. Can I start? Say yes or a no?
No, ma'am.
You are done, guys. Now we'll start with the fourth part. The class is about to finish. See the fifth. Now look at your 10th pattern. Your 10th pattern is this. See, now what we will do. As your space will increase, you have to increase the number of this pattern, right? If the space is small, go like this. If your space will increase it like this. Okay? Easy? Okay, look what we will do. Listen, what we will do is, first we will make the pattern like this, the amount of space you have. If you have small space, you can make one. If you have ample space like mine, you can draw as much as many, depending. You can make a big shape as well, a small shape as well, depending upon you. Look. Easy? Look. Okay?
बना रही है ऐसे
Say yes.
ऐसे स्पाइरल
Easy.
Now the 11th pattern. Look at your 11th pattern. 11th pattern is very easy. First make the vertical line, then make the horizontal lines. First make the vertical line, then make the horizontal lines. First make the vertical line, then horizontal lines, and then fill the space accordingly. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm Sachi. I don't have enough space. That's why I did like this.
Sachi, wait. Where are you? Great. Nice. Now fill the same pattern in the fourth part. I have done the fifth part. If you have done the fourth part, do the same in the fifth part. I have done the fifth part, fifth part, I'll do the fourth part. Okay? Then show it to me. Look like this. The amount of space I have, I will utilize it. Easy? This is the 10th pattern, and then first we will make the vertical line, then the horizontal line. First we'll make the vertical line, then the horizontal line. Easy? Show me what you have done. See? Easy, right? Look. It's easy. So pretty it is. Just as same. This one. Nice. You like it? You have to make it like you have a big space here. We will make this shape in like in a big manner like this. You have to fill your space basically, right? If I have a small space like this, I will draw it accordingly. Easy? Well, let's start. Go along with me. The first space is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a small space accordingly, and I will make a leaf-like pattern here and I will fill it. Easy? Done, everyone? And make a dots around here like this. It will look pretty. Make a dot like this with your pen. Like this, look, like this. Okay, the third part, I'm moving on to the third part. Okay, the third part will draw is here. 1, 2, 3. At the end of fourth one. Okay, see here, we'll make it near the fourth part, 1 and 2nd. Here we'll draw the fourth one like this. Look, easy, and draw the dots as well. It will look very nice near the where the second part ends. 1. Look here near the fourth part, fifth part where the second part ends. Very nice, Adhya. Nice. Draw the dots along with this pattern and then it will look very nice. Now the last part, we'll draw it here, right? We'll make pattern like this. Look what I will do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. You can make it any way. I have just look lines like this. Go in this.
If we don't make that pattern, it's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it's completely fine if you don't make this part. If you want to make, I'm making it. You can make it along with me. Okay. Look.
Okay.
Like this. You can make it in any way. Anything you want, you can do it, right? Look. Easy. This is our fish. Show me yours, everyone, like this. The final product. Write your name. See, I'm writing my name here, Palak. Write your name and show it to me. Come on. Show it to me. Write your name and show it to me.